Hey everyone, given that it is the first laptop in the studio to run the Snapdragon X Elite, the ASUS Vivobook S15 is an interesting addition to the ASUS lineup. This laptop combines the potent Snapdragon X Elite with a 1TB SSD, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, operating at a remarkable 8448 MHz, and an amazing 2.8K display. The performance of this laptop when running on battery power is one of the key concerns that users have, especially when considering the MacBook, which has always operated at maximum capacity when unplugged. With a minuscule 5% decrease in performance, the Vivobook S15 runs almost entirely on battery power. The Vivobook S15 is really quick for everyday use. Recompiled for ARM, browsers such as Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome load noticeably faster than on the fastest Intel or AMD machines. Additionally, the high battery life is a result of this snappiness. With its 70-watt-hour battery, the laptop can run for easily more than 12 hours on a single charge. With its new ARM optimization, Photoshop now operates on this laptop at about 96% of its maximum capacity. While fan noise might become evident during hard applications, performance loss is modest even under heavy workloads, such as Photoshop. Despite being quieter than those of many other Windows laptops, the fans are audible when the laptop is being used heavily. The ASUS Vivobook S15, which is a full metal chassis and weighs only 3.13 pounds, is a superbly developed laptop. There are several connectors on it, including two USB 4.0 ports, a microSD card slot, a combo audio jack on the left, two USB-A ports on the right, and an HDMI 2.1 port. In addition to its adaptability, the display may lay flat, making typing pleasant. With a smooth connection, you can expand your workplace or view high-definition media on a bigger screen with the Vivobook S15. The keyboard itself has a clicky, pleasant sensation that makes it enjoyable to use. It also has an integrated numeric keypad for added convenience. The RGB illumination, but with only one color available. This laptop's cutting-edge chipset is highlighted by the new Snapdragon X Elite label. A new era in laptop performance is ushered in by the tremendous power and efficiency of the Snapdragon X Elite CPU. The Copilot AI features, which promise to improve the laptop's AI capabilities, are not shown in this video, but will be accessible soon with the Microsoft update. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 3K resolution, ASUS's gorgeous OLED screen on the Vivobook S15 provides outstanding brightness, a wide color gamut, and a pixel-dense experience. It's ideal for completing appearance work and watching video on this 16:9 display. Clear video quality is provided by the 1080p webcam, which makes it appropriate for virtual meetings and video calls. Additionally, the inbuilt microphones produce high-quality audio, guaranteeing that your voice is heard clearly when on the phone. The keyboard deck stays comfortably cool to use even if x86 apps such as HW Info and MSI Afterburner cannot measure temperature. The laptop operates effectively without overheating, thanks to the Snapdragon CPU and an excellent cooling system. With the 70-watt-hour battery and the 90-watt charger that come with it, the laptop has an amazing battery life of easily over 12 hours on a single charge. The Vivobook S15 will get better and better as more developers tune their apps for ARM, providing even more power and endurance. With its sleek, fashionable appearance and combination of power and efficiency, this laptop is a representation of the future of mobile computing. Please feel free to ask any questions or share your ideas in the comments section below. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day and God bless you.